megahertz. Okay, the information capacity or the bandwidth distance product is megahertz, and the optical fiber is installing in some hundreds of kilometers. That's why in place of meters we are considering distance as in kilometers. In kilometers. Okay, then that is megahertz, kilometers. Kilometers. Okay, remember that. Remember that. Okay, don't simply say that hertz and meters. Okay, the bandwidth distance product is megahertz, kilometers. Optical frequencies in megahertz. Optical cable distance we are installing up to some kilometers. That's why megahertz, kilometer. In the same manner, he has given some typical values. For step index fiber, bandwidth distance product is 20 megahertz kilometer, and for graded index fibers 2.5 megahertz kilometer. Those 2 points you have to write for both step index and graded index fibers. Step index and graded index fibers. 20 megahertz for step index fiber and 2.5 megahertz kilometers for graded index fiber. Next, go for the next concept. Before going to discuss about dispersion, already we discussed that dispersion is nothing but pulse spreading. Pulse spreading. Because of these pulses reaching at the destination with different speeds, we are getting some pulse spreading. Okay, one pulse is reaching at time t1 or t2, and another pulse is reaching to the destination at t3 time, and another pulse is reaching at destination with t4 time. Because of these time differences or time changes, there is some dispersion. Okay, that concept is called as group delay. Okay, before going to discuss about types of dispersions, first you have to know the time delay or group delay. Times, okay, time changes we have. Because of these time changes, pulse is spreading. What is that time delay? That we are going to derive now. One expression we have to derive. That is a time delay or group delay. This is also very, very important concept. By this only we are going to derive some expressions related to all the types of the dispersions. Okay, group delay or time delay, most important concept. Try to remember this. Up to now, is any doubt regarding dispersion and information capacity determination? Any doubt? Again, tell me what is mean by dispersion. What is meant by dispersion? Respond. Anyone? Dispersion means belongs to all. That question belongs to all. Nobody is responding.
Spreading of optical pulses as it travels along the fiber.
That is pulse spreading. Simply pulse spreading. Okay. So that is a dispersion. Okay. The dispersion is due to time delay or group delay. Each pulse is reaching at the destination with different times. That's why we're going to discuss about time delay or group delay. Okay. So write down this group delay. It gives amount of pulse spreading because of different amounts of time taken by spectral components of any particular mode to travel a certain distance along the fiber. Okay, it gives amount of pulse spreading because of different amounts of time taken by spectral components of any particular mode to travel a certain distance along the fiber. That is nothing but here spectral components he is saying taken by spectral components. So here one point I want to mention is, for example, what are the sources we are using? What are the sources we are using? What are the optical sources I am asking? What are the optical sources? Sources, light source. What are those light sources?
LED, laser,
Laser,
LED,
laser and
LED.
LED. LED. Laser and LED. Okay. For example, if you take any source, okay, this point also you have to remember. We are using two optical sources, laser and LED. Whatever you may use. Okay. This LED will not emit single light. Okay. It will emit different spectral components. This is one spectral component. This is another spectral component. Another spectral component, like that. Light is having different spectral component. Okay, so each spectral component, that is he saying, each spectral component will take its individual time. Okay, this spectral component will reach at the destination with the time t1. This second spectral component will reach at the time t2. Like that, it will reach to the destination. In the same manner for laser also. Laser also. These spectral components will reach at the destination with the different times. Because of that, there may be some time delay. There may be some dispersion. Okay. So here again another point, another important point here. Compared to laser, LED is having more spectral components. LED is having more spectral components. Laser is having less spectral components. Less spectral components. Because of that, the dispersion is less in laser. The dispersion is high in LED. LED. This is the way of knowing the subject. Okay. Actually, no need to discuss all those. Simply you can say spectral component. Okay. So remember that dispersion is less in lasers. That is high in LED. Why? Because LED is having high spectral components. Okay. So this is the point. He is saying pulse spreading because of different times taken by different spectral components up to a particular length of fiber. Okay. Consider an optical source. That is a hence each mode carries an equal amount of energy, but the signal propagates along the fiber. Each spectral component can be achieved to travel independently and to undergo a time delay or group delay for unit length. Okay, this point is justifying the group delay. So here I already told you we are going to transmit different modes. Okay, different modes in the optical fiber. Whenever mode is nothing but different electromagnetic spectrums, electric and magnetic fields combination is called mode. Whenever all modes are having equal amount of energy, if all modes carries equal amount of energy, but the signal propagates along the fiber, each spectral component can be achieved to travel independently and to undergo a time delay. Okay, if all modes are having equal energy, then all the spectral components will reach with its individual speed and reach the destination independently. Then there is a time delay or group delay for unit length. For unit length. Okay, this point you can write. Hence, each mode carries equal amount of energy, but the signal propagates along the fiber. Each spectral component can be achieved to travel independently and to undergo a time delay or group delay per unit length. Per unit length in the direction of propagation is given by, the direction of propagation is given by tau z by d is equal to 1 by vz, that is equal to 1 by c d beta by dk minus lambda square by 2 pi c into d beta by d lambda. This expression you can write. Nothing is there. This is the d beta by d lambda. This you can consider as main equation. Capital 1. Tau g by d is equal to 1 by Vg, 1 by c, d beta by dk is equal to minus lambda square by 2 pi c into d beta by d lambda. E is the distance traveled by the pulse. Tau is the time delay or group delay. Vg is the group velocity. Beta is the propagation constant. Lambda is the wavelength of the fiber. All those you know. C is the light velocity 3 into 10 power 8. And Vg, another formula, Vg is equal to C into d beta by dk whole power minus 1. Otherwise, C by d beta by dk. This here I will stop. Just a minute. So C by d beta by dk, that is equal to Vg. You may write anything. Otherwise, C into d beta by dk whole power minus 1. C into d beta by dk whole power minus 1. In the same manner, this k is a angular wave frequency, that is a d beta by d omega. D beta by d omega. Okay, C into d beta by d omega whole power minus 1. This is second equation. Vg is equal to C into d beta by d omega whole power minus 1, second equation. These two you can write. We'll discuss continuation or remaining concepts in the next class. Okay. Any doubts, anyone?
సార్ ఎల్ఈడిలో డిస్పర్షన్ అనేది ఎందుకు ఎక్కువ ఉంటుందంటే మోర్ స్పెక్ట్రల్ కాంపోనెంట్స్ ఉంటాయన సార్.
Yes, why? Because for example, if you take one torch light, if you on that, that light is spreading in different directions. If you observe clearly, it is giving different spectral components. Okay, like that different light rays we can able to observe. In the same manner, if you switch on laser, any laser source, if you switch on, if you compare both, compared to laser, LED is having different light rays or different spectral components. So if we have more spectral components, for example, 10 spectral components for LED, it will take 10 different times we have. If you take a laser, it is having, for example, 8 spectral components. We have only 8 different times. So compared to both, so the time delay is more in LED. Because of that, there is some more pulse spreading or more pulse broadening. That's why high in LED. Okay. So whatever we have doubts, we'll see in the next class. Okay. Any doubts you can ask me in the next class, all of you. So again,